YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back for some what's in the boxes for you guys on Pentair's products. Today's product we are going to go over is their push-pull valve. I'm going to show you guys what comes in this box and what to expect, so stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. So again today we have a what's in the box for you guys on Pentair's push-pull valve. This is meant for their sand or some of their quad DE filters, so then that way you guys have the actual full backwash valve in order to pump the water out. So this is the push-pull version of that. I believe the part number we have here is 263064. So make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We have these directly available for purchase on our website for you guys. At the best possible price. So for today's video, just want to cut this open, show you guys what comes included. So I already pre-cut the sides, so I'm going to go ahead and cut the top here. So again, this is meant for 2-inch pipe, so you're not going to want to use this on anything of like 1.5 inches or 2.5 because you don't really want to go down in size with a reducer. But if you need to, that's what you guys are going to go ahead and do. So here's this piece. You got your full actual push-pull valve. You guys actually have the handle up here, and then they give you an elbow as well as a secondary piece here, as well as, looks like they give you a cool little instructions for the valve. They give you your handy dandy installation instructions, which hopefully we'll have one of these in the field for you guys here soon so that you guys can actually see how to fully install this. It's really nice when it comes to the actual filter attachment. This is meant specifically for Pentair filters, as the unions are meant to line up at the exact same drop as the filters have. So it'll already come with the actual bulkhead unions, whatever you want to call these here, that will attach to the filter end. And then obviously you have your open ending here that you guys are able to plumb in your own pipe for. And then of course you have the notorious actual slide valve. So I don't know if I'll be able to do this if it's not on something. So that's locked, and then you should be able to pull it. There you go. So essentially what this is, again, the purpose of this is to make sure that you guys have the ability to block off the actual flow of the water and push everything out so that you guys can backwash. For sand, it's really, really important for you guys to do that about once every month. Sometimes people like to do it twice a month, just to make sure that the sand is filtering the way that you want it to. So you guys always want to backwash until you get a full clear stream of water coming out. If you guys are getting that brown, gunky, muddy water, then obviously you guys know that your filter is clogged and it needed to be backwashed to let that gunk out to bring in fresh water. So really, really important. Again, if you guys grew up with any kind of sand filters, it's a common thing to have this actual valve. Again, it's only going to be meant for the Pentair filters. You're not meant to just butt this up to a Jandy or to a Hayward. So again, when you're looking at this for Pentair, part number 263064. So it looks like they do give you an additional elbow here, which is kind of nice. And they also have this threaded piece here. I'm not quite sure what this is for, but that's also what the instructions will walk you through. So that way you guys can kind of make sure everything gets done right. Oh, it looks like they call this a pipe, like a pipe thread. So if you guys needed more space on the front, you guys can actually thread this in. This will actually glue into the top, and then you guys can have a threaded pipe come into the top or unionize it. So then that way it makes it easier for you guys to get out or for the actual backwash hose. So really simple. Just wanted to kind of walk you guys through what comes in the box on this product so you guys know what to expect when you guys do purchase this. So again, make sure you guys check out all the links in the description and take you directly to the website, learn a little bit more about the product, and see all of the compatible filters for you guys. Make sure you guys smash that like button. Be sure to subscribe. All of the love is very much appreciated. Until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply, and we'll see you next time.